Welcome! Today we'll explore the top tips and tools to create attractive listings, which can boost your product's visibility and grow your business on Amazon. Let's start. Product titles are often the first thing customers see. We recommend keeping it under 80 characters to ensure mobile visibility. Follow this structure: brand name, product type, key features, color, size or pack count, and model number if applicable. Keep in mind that if your products have variations in size or colors, don't include these details in your parent ASIN, but in your children ASINs. You can also combine general terms like furniture with specific phrases such as UV-protected outdoor furniture to boost your product's visibility. Remember, you should avoid promotional terms like free shipping or bestseller. Focus on clarity and relevance. Another key factor to attract customers is high-quality product images. Here's what you can do. A primary image that shows a clear product shot on pure white background, without text, logos, watermarks, reviews, or promotional content with 5 to 7 additional images showing. Your product in use, your product in a lifestyle setting, or include information like dimension charts. Ensure all images are high resolution and accurately represent your product. To upload your product images, go to your Seller Central menu, hover over Catalog, and select Upload Images. We recommend including a product video to showcase features such as sounds, sizes, and movements, helping customers better understand what you're offering. Videos can also be used to demonstrate setup steps or share helpful usage tips, adding further value to the shopping experience. To upload a video, navigate to the Catalog tab in the Seller Central menu and select Upload and Manage Videos. Be sure your videos are high quality, concise, and localized for your target store, with subtitles or voiceovers in the appropriate language. Alongside videos and images, descriptions and bullet points play a crucial role in driving purchase decisions. Bullet points are especially effective for communicating key features and common use cases. Be sure to include important specifications such as size, material, manufacturer part number, and any other relevant details. Above all, ensure that every aspect of your listing accurately reflects the product being shipped. Discrepancies in size, color, model, or quantity can lead to customer dissatisfaction, returns, or even account suspension. Now that you've built the foundation of your listings, let's look at the optimization tools to maximize their visibility on Amazon. Let's start with listing management. Navigate to the Inventory tab from the Seller Central menu and select Manage All Inventory. You can manage your listings here. Here's a pro tip: click over Catalog and visit Improve Listing Quality. This tool highlights incomplete or underperforming listings and offers you specific improvement tips, like adding bullet points or higher quality images. Next, a strong keyword strategy can further boost your product's visibility. Under the Growth tab in Seller Central, you can access Product Opportunity Explorer and Marketplace Product Guidance to analyze customer search patterns and find top-performing keywords in both local and international Amazon stores. Leverage these tools to refine your product titles, descriptions, and back-end keywords for better discoverability. Additionally, if you are a brand owner, you have exclusive access to tools designed to elevate your brand presence and drive customer loyalty. A+ content allows you to create rich and engaging product pages with comparison tables, infographics, and brand storytelling. You can find A+ Content Manager under the Advertising tab in the Seller Central menu. Furthermore, Brand Analytics provides deeper insights into how customers search for your product to optimize your keywords. Finally, you can keep improving your listing by analyzing customers' feedback. Go to the Performance tab in Seller Central, use Feedback Manager and Voice of Customers to gather insights for refinement and update your descriptions, images, or frequently asked questions accordingly. If you're planning to sell internationally, always tailor your titles, images, videos, and descriptions to fit local language and cultural expectations. Any content that could be culturally insensitive or violate Amazon's restricted product policies should be avoided. Use the country-specific upload tool to add the images that features a specific language only in your selected country. To find the tool, go to the Seller Central menu, hover over Catalog, click on Upload Images, then select Bulk Image Upload. On the page, you'll have a link to the tool. And there you have it. By following these best practices, you'll help create discoverable, trustworthy listings that convert to your success. Please visit Amazon Seller University for additional resources. Thank you, and happy selling on the Amazon store.